How to add or remove color correction button to quick settings panel on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the pencil icon or the edit button and then tap on edit. Now we go down to the available buttons panel here or the section down here and swipe across until you find color correction. Tap on it and that will be added to the top panel here, which is your quick settings panel. Then tap on done, then tap on done. Then tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. Now to quickly access that feature, swipe down at the top, then swipe down again, and here you can tap on color correction to turn it on or switch it off. Touch and hold onto that will allow you to go directly to the color correction section. From here you can make some other changes as well. Here we got blue to yellow, so you can swipe down and quickly turn it on, or you can switch it off. To remove the shortcut, simply tap on the edit button, then tap on edit, and then tap on the remove button, and then tap on done, then tap on done. And that's it. Now we have removed color correction from the quick settings control center. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.